Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to download Flip Diving application on your iPhone. So let's get started right away. First of all, open your App Store and also make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. In the search box at the top, type in Flip Diving and search. Once you get to the search results, tap on this Flip Diving application from Motion Vault Games OY and then tap on the Get button to begin downloading the application. Flip Diving is a fun and physics-based ragdoll diving game where you perform daring jumps and tricks from various heights and platforms. You can unlock new characters, costumes, and locations, aiming for the most spectacular and hilarious dives without hitting the rocks. Wait until the application is downloaded and installed on your iOS device, which will take a few minutes, and you can start playing the game. And that is how you will be able to download the Flip Diving application on your iOS device. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.